trying out the route today in the rain, fully dressed in my waterproof rain suit, and also seeing how the GoPro is going to work for me. It is May long weekend and it's been pouring. As you can see, it was actually hailing a few minutes ago. I kind of waited that out, but hey, looks like it's gonna rain all day, so I put my wetsuit on and I'm gonna go ride. And here we go. So I just put a new microphone in my helmet. That's another thing I'm checking out today. It seems that not all microphones are created equal. I had a Newell in there and all it did was pop and crack and static, and it was terrible. So I went back to Sony stereo microphone, and in the house anyways, it seemed to work really well. So testing that out today too. GPS seems to be working. Let's see what happens here. So the route that I'm going to check out, I won't do the whole route because it is a 5-hour route from my house. But it is a route for the all-woman Can-Am adventure ride that we are going to start on July 7th. And it takes us from Vernon, BC, down some farm roads, into the backcountry onto gravel roads. I don't know, I think there's probably about around 200 to 250 kilometers of gravel and dirt mountain roads. So that's going to be fun. That's what this whole thing is about, the whole event. It's about getting off the pavement and getting out there in the backcountry, seeing a little part of British Columbia and the beauty of it all. And all women is all fun. I gotta say that, because every time I'm in a group with all women, we have the best times. Nothing against the men, it's just different. So, yeah. Well, if it keeps raining too much harder, I might have to take my media mod off and just film without it. Media mods are great. I love them. You can charge through them while you're riding. You can use an external microphone like I'm doing right now. But if it starts raining, they have the possibility of getting the electronic side wet because they're not completely sealed anymore. It's certainly nice and warm in this suit. I have a warm, what I would wear in the fall time, jacket on, a heavy pair of jeans, and over that I have rain gear. I forget the brand, but it's a good brand. I paid about $120 for it. It doesn't breathe at all. That's the only problem. To get a really good adventure jacket that is waterproof plus breeze would cost me $1,000 or even double that. My husband paid $2,000 for his, which he brags about all the time because he's styling, and when it's raining, I'm just one big black bag of a rider. But that's okay. It keeps me dry. It keeps me warm. And it's okay. I'm not trying to make a fashion statement. The bike does that for me. Oh yeah, here comes a downpour. And my camera is going to get wet. Well, the rain stopped for a minute here, so I put my GoPro back on. Hopefully I'm getting voice sound here. Anyways, little ways further and we're at the turnoff, or I'm at the turnoff, where we would turn onto the dirt and gravel, and then it is about, I would say about a 3-hour ride on the dirt and gravel, which is perfect. This is a beautiful country road. I really like it because it's quiet, first of all, and it's a little bit twisty and turny, but look, it's right in the forest here, and that's where I like to ride, right in the forest areas. So peaceful and quiet and easygoing. GPS seems to be working fine. It's following a purple line, but it's not really showing me any side roads or anything. Might be a setting within the GPS. I don't know. I'll look when I get home. But so far so good. I've done this route before, but I've never really done it on my own, being the leader. So it's important to me that I have coordinates, GPS showing me the way, and then I can relax and just lead the ride. So I've been using GoPro for years, for about 5 years since I started doing this. And there's a lot of complaints about them, actually. I've had my share of complaints. But is anybody using the DJI or some other action camera that they like? If you are and you really like it and it's easy to use and reliable, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. I'm thinking about DJI, but you know, they're even more expensive than the GoPro, so I'd love to know first offhand if anybody is using them and having great success with them. Ah, there's the sign I'm looking for. Here is the turnoff. This is Kingfisher Road. Okay. Oh, I should be in at least sport mode. Let's do rally till we get to the pavement. There we go. Ah, yeah.